Beyond this bridge lies a story of unimaginable loss and a family's unwavering fight to reclaim what the storm tried to take forever. Avery Tree Farm was more than a business, it was a legacy. With years of hard labor, this land had been nurtured with care, its fields transformed into an emerald sea of Christmas trees.
My name's Graham Avery. This is our farm, Avery Farms. We got clobbered from Hurricane Helene. I think we lost somewhere between 60 and 80,000 trees. I mean, just absolute devastation here.
Farm where generations of love and labor cultivated this land year after year, producing trees that have adorned homes across America during the most joyous season of all. Today, that legacy lies in ruins. The trees that once stood tall are now bent and broken. Yet, even in the midst of destruction, this family has found a way to give new purpose to what the storm destroyed. The family now pushes forward with determination, cutting and shaping the tops of these broken pines into miniature tabletop Christmas trees, refusing to let the storm define their story. They work tirelessly to prune branches from the damaged crops, crafting them into wreaths by hand.
We're trying to salvage what we can out of our trees, and we're going to do some wreaths and maybe some little tabletops to try and, because all of our 6 and 10 foot trees are all just, the whole bottom 3-4 feet of them are just destroyed. So cutting the tops out of them and trying to salvage what we can. So we got absolutely just smacked by this hurricane. It's never happened before, ever.
These battered branches, a symbol of survival, will endure this Christmas season, carrying with them the seeds of hope in a season of heartbreak. The floodwaters didn't just take the trees. The family home was destroyed. The barns that stood for decades collapsed or washed away. Inside the farm office, damage feels personal. Years of records, memories, and hard work lie buried beneath thick layers of muck. What was once a place where dreams were built and plans took shape is now consumed by silence and loss. Machinery that once nurtured life now lies rusting, broken by the torrent. These scars are a testament to the power of the flood that tore through Avery County, sparing nothing in its path. What you see now is all that remains. Over 60,000 trees are gone, swept away or buried beneath the mud. Each one a story of years of growth, care, and hope, destroyed in just hours. The soil is poisoned, the trees broken and withered, and now the dawning reality. Every inch of this contaminated land will need to be bulldozed before a single seedling can be planted again. These trees all lean in the same direction, their roots clawing at the earth as if trying to hold on to a home that no longer holds them. In their brokenness, each one bears the same mark of nature's wrath. Their direction a silent map of the storm's passage.
It's awful. We've never seen the likes of anything that has happened to us here. So go out and check us out, and I'm sure there's a lot of other people in our same shoes, but we're just one of the many victims that was impacted by this. So.
And y'all have a fundraiser?
Yeah, we have like I said, on the website there's a place where you can order wreaths from us, order tabletops. You can donate if you want to, but a lot of people would rather, they want something in return. So we're trying our best to get wreaths out, and we're shipping them. We're gonna send it to your door. So we're doing wreaths and tabletops. Go order one from us, or do whatever you feel led to do. I mean, you can just donate. That'd be great too. So whatever you can do, or you can come out here. We're gonna let people come out here. We've got dates on the website where if somebody wants to walk through and actually pick out a tree from the flooded field, they're not going to be the best, but they're decent. We're gonna let people come out here. So I mean, we want people to see what we've been through. It's it's going to be nasty and muddy, but if people want to come out here and they want to see it with their own eyes, we're not going to clean. We haven't cleaned up really anything. So it's wild to see this, to see all the damage. So come out and see us, or go to our website.
Rebuilding will take decades. What was lost here cannot be replaced overnight. The soil must be cleaned, the land must heal, and the trees must grow anew. It's a journey that this family must face with courage and perseverance, knowing that it may take a lifetime to restore what was destroyed. When you bring a wreath or tabletop Christmas tree from the Avery family into your home this year, you're carrying with you more than a decoration. You're embracing a piece of a story. These wreaths and trees are crafted from the very branches that withstood the fury of Hurricane Helene. Each branch tells a tale of survival, of resilience in the face of unimaginable loss. The mainstream media has moved on, but we cannot. The people of Western North Carolina are still here, facing their losses and rebuilding their lives. Together we will continue to shine a light on their stories so they won't be forgotten. If you'd like to support the Avery family or order a wreath or tabletop tree, you'll find links in the description below. By supporting them, you're helping to restore a legacy and giving these battered branches a second chance to shine during this season of hope.